and rum.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming.
Hello folks, welcome to another of our Taste Buds episode. On today's video, we're gonna take a very unique ingredient from our local supermarket and make it into something super duper good. Today I'm in Bravo and I'm just picking up some unique items. I'm gonna show you that video in the next installment. I'm just picking up some unique items and I stumbled upon a very unique one that many people may not know. It is cactus pear or prickly pear, guys, and these are the little buds or fruit that comes on top of the cactus plant itself. 69 cents a pound, and so I'm just gonna pick up a few and try to see what I can do with them. The first thing I'm thinking of doing is making some delicious and refreshing cactus pear lemonade. Yes, guys, so come in the kitchen now and make us see what go on. So now my cactus pear and it's all ripe and ready. You have to pick the ones that are ripest, and you know that by the color. Alright, so you want to cut your cactus pear open and you will see on the inside it's almost like a dragon fruit. However, the inside has very fine seeds or pits that are very hard. I mean, like stone hard. And so you're not going to be able to just bite into this because you're going to be in a mess of trouble. What you want to do is you're basically going to want to separate the flesh from those little fine, hard seeds that are in the cactus pear. And so this is how I'm going to do it, just because I wanted to show you guys how it looks in the strainer. And then also I didn't want to bother with the cleaning up of the blender or anything like that. But you can use a blender and just blend everything to separate the seeds from the flesh. All right, so when you do that, guys, you're gonna get this brilliant red color, and I'm gonna be adding some lemon, but I'm just fascinated by how this red color, and it has a little, the texture almost is like the same of the cactus plant. It has a little like the nopales. It has a little bit of a, I wouldn't say slimy, but it has a very fruity type of texture, almost like how a banana feels. That's how it feels, that type of consistency. All right, so now I'm just straining my lemon in the jug, and again, this is 100% manual. You could have done all of this in a blender, guys, but yeah, I just want to do it this way. And so I'm just straining my lemon now, and once I do this, I'm gonna pretty much combine everything in the jug. All right, I'm also gonna be adding some ginger syrup. All right, because I have ginger syrup and it's good. I could use the ginger syrup instead of using sugar. I could just use the ginger syrup and you get that flavor and you get the sweetness and all of that combined. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do next. And as you see here, guys, I'm straining my prickly pear one more time through the strainer just to get out any residual pulp or anything like that from it. I just want the pure juice. I want the pure liquid, and that's up to you. Here's my ginger beer cardinal, or it's a cardial. It's a ginger syrup, and I'm gonna use this as my sweetening agent. Then you just pretty much add extra water, fill up your jug and add your ice, and get it cool, mix it well, and you are 100% good to go, guys. I promise you, you will be fascinated by how delicious this is. The cactus pear has a sweet, subtle flavor, and it does work. It's refreshing, especially with the lemon and the ginger, and it makes for a delicious dish. You can add it to any recipe or any meal, and just make it work for you. Alright? Yardie Belly TV, you know, and that's how we do it. We share everything with you guys so you get a full 100 understanding of where we're coming from when we are doing it. Look on this, so it look good. Trust me, you will love it. Guys, try this in your neck of the woods, please, and let me know how it finishes out in the comment section, how you like it, how it tastes, and if it works for you. Alright? Please, definitely try it. And I just have to do my little, you know, decoration, put on my little stuff on it, my little lemon on it to make it look good for the thumbnail. And there you have it, my Prickly Pear or Nopales Cactus Lemonade. It is so good, guys. I'm gonna tell you, I can't wait to drink this right now. I do hope that you like this video and will subscribe to my channel for more content such as these, going out of the box, trying to do things a little bit different. And I do hope that it was interesting enough for you to try this one. Prickly Pear Cactus Fruit Lemonade, Prickly Pear Lemonade. It is what it is. All right, once again, remember to join me for more videos, and please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys. Have yourself a great day. And before you go, remember, right, to check out, you know, our page for ways in which you can, you know, shop Yardie Belly TV, get apparel, and you can also click the link to find out a whole lot more of how you can be a part of the Yardie TV family. Guys, the lemonade tastes so good. I'm telling you, it was 100% worth the effort in, you know, picking out the cactus, cleaning it up, getting everything out of it. It worth it. The absolute best one-day detox on the market. If you haven't gotten yours yet, text me now, 305-204-1270, and you can get one of these for yourself. Take it one bottle at a time, and it work. Guys, I can only tell you say it work because I know it work. We have so many good people talking about this thing. I think you should all try to get one. Yeah, I think you should all try to get one. Free shipping in the US. Yeah, get yourself one of this. One day detox by Green Valley. Yardie Belly TV have it, and we can make it available to you. Alright? Remember me tell you. And remember to check out One True Natural for all natural hair products and handmade soaps. Yeah man, just click the link in the description box. Big up on yourself.